Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your New Balance account password. If you don't have a New Balance account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get free shipping on orders $50 plus. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for personal and account details. Beside it is an option for edit. Click on Edit. On this page, you will see an option for password. Beside it, you will see an Edit button. Click on Edit. Now, enter your current password on the first field. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the third field to confirm. After entering, click on Save. That's how you change your New Balance account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.